You're looking at a simple avocado fruit, but in just a few minutes, this factory will turn it into pure liquid gold.
Thousands of avocado fruit enter this factory every hour, and what happens next might surprise you.
In the quiet of morning, ripe avocado fruit begins its journey toward oil.
Every avocado fruit is handled carefully to protect its rich oil inside.
From tree to transport, the avocado fruit moves with purpose.
Only mature avocado fruit is selected for premium oil extraction.
The orchard hands its harvest to controlled transport.
Stability protects the avocado fruit during its short journey to the factory.
From soil to steel, the avocado fruit leaves the farm behind. The next stage awaits, where avocado fruit becomes oil.
The avocado fruit travels under controlled temperature to preserve its natural oil.
Precision begins long before the avocado fruit reaches the processing floor. Every delivery of avocado fruit is logged and inspected. Inside these walls, raw avocado fruit becomes refined oil. The receiving bay prepares for unloading the avocado fruit. Temperature control preserves the quality of every avocado fruit. The transition from transport to processing begins smoothly.
The avocado fruit is now ready to enter the factory's processing flow.
The avocado fruit crosses from open air into controlled industry.
Clean floors and steel surfaces define the start of transformation.
The avocado fruit prepares to enter the first mechanical stage. Gravity and steel guide the avocado fruit deeper inside. The first conveyor carries the avocado fruit into cleansing. Every meter inside this factory is engineered for efficiency. Only suitable avocado fruit moves forward to washing.
The avocado fruit meets water and motion, beginning its refinement. Rotating steel and water strip away the last traces of the orchard from the avocado fruit. A final rinse prepares the avocado fruit for precision sorting.
Moisture falls away as the avocado fruit moves toward inspection. Sensors analyze each avocado fruit for color, size, and surface integrity. Only optimal avocado fruit continue toward oil extraction. Human eyes reinforce what automation begins. Uniform size ensures consistent avocado oil extraction efficiency. The avocado fruit now enters the heart of transformation. Steel force breaks the avocado fruit into extractable pulp. The crushed avocado fruit pulp flows toward controlled mixing. Slow mixing releases microscopic oil droplets from the avocado fruit pulp. Precise heat and motion maximize avocado oil yield. The avocado fruit pulp moves into separation. Centrifugal force divides solids from liquid avocado oil. Solid remnants fall away as liquid avocado oil advances. The avocado fruit's oil begins to clarify under precision separation. Clarified avocado oil leaves separation and enters purification. Fine filtration removes microscopic solids from the avocado oil. Precision filtering refines the avocado oil to premium clarity. The avocado oil rests briefly in controlled stainless storage. Stable temperature ensures consistent avocado oil quality. Final polishing perfects the avocado oil's purity. Trapped air is removed to protect the avocado oil from oxidation. Refined avocado oil advances toward final automation. Automation distributes the avocado oil with measured precision. Each bottle waits to receive the finished avocado oil.
Measured flow ensures every bottle carries exact avocado oil volume.
Sensors guard consistency in every bottle of avocado oil.
Secure sealing protects the freshness of the avocado oil.
A protective barrier locks in the purity of avocado oil. Identity and traceability define every bottle of avocado oil. Each bottle of avocado oil carries its complete production history. Bottles of avocado oil gather before final packaging. Automation organizes avocado oil into transport-ready cases. Each carton of avocado oil is secured for safe movement. Every carton of avocado oil is verified for completeness. Cartons of avocado oil are stacked with geometric precision. Wrapping secures the avocado oil cartons for storage.
Each pallet of avocado oil receives its digital identity.
Before shipment, the avocado oil undergoes final verification.
Random sampling ensures every batch of avocado oil meets standard.
Inside the lab, avocado oil undergoes scientific verification.
Color and clarity reveal the refinement of avocado oil.
Chemical precision confirms the purity of avocado oil.
Flow characteristics define the performance of avocado oil.
Stability testing protects the long shelf life of avocado oil.
Certification confirms the avocado oil is ready for release.
Approved avocado oil moves toward final dispatch.
Finished avocado oil awaits shipment in controlled storage. Every pallet of avocado oil is positioned for traceable distribution.
Customer orders trigger the final movement of avocado oil. One last inspection secures the avocado oil for transport.
Pallets of avocado oil are locked in for delivery.
The journey of avocado oil continues beyond factory walls. From harvest to shipment, avocado oil has completed its transformation.
If you want to see how other factories really work, make sure you stay with us.